Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a photo frame at home. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You will need some wood strips, a miter saw or hand saw, and strong wood glue. Don't forget a ruler, a pencil, and a few clamps to hold everything together. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll create a beautiful, personalized frame in just a few easy steps. Now, let's get precise with our measurements and cuts. First, measure your photograph's exact length and width. Add about 1/4 inch to each dimension for a slight border. Then, using your saw, cut 4 pieces of wood. Each end needs a 45-degree angle, creating a perfect miter joint. Remember, opposite sides must be the same length for a perfectly square or rectangular frame. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of wood glue to one mitered end of each piece. Carefully press the corners together, making sure they align perfectly to form a 90-degree angle. Use clamps to hold the frame tightly in place. Allow the glue to dry for at least 24 hours to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Patience here is key for a durable frame. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and prepare your frame for display. Insert your photo, followed by a clear acrylic sheet or glass for protection, and then a sturdy backing board. Secure these layers with small flexible tabs or brads. For hanging, attach a picture hanger to the top center of the frame. Now, your beautiful handmade photo frame is ready to showcase your cherished memories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.